Your Dodge Grand Caravan is cranking but refusing to start, and the dealership wants over $1,000 for a new fuse box. The actual problem is a single dead fuel pump relay buried inside your TIPM, and we are going to fix it right now using a $20 bypass cable. You do not need to replace the totally integrated power module. The factory fuel pump relay is soldered directly into the circuit board of the TIPM. When it burns out, your fuel pump gets zero power, and the van acts like it is out of gas. A bypass cable routes around this dead internal relay by drawing power from a different, reliable switched source inside the same fuse box. Open the hood and remove the cover from your TIPM fuse box next to the battery. Locate the M25 fuse slot, which powers the fuel pump, and the M37 fuse slot, which provides ignition power. Pull the existing fuses from both slots and insert them into the built-in holders on your new bypass cable. Plug one end of the bypass cable into the M25 slot and the other end into the M37 slot. You might need to gently move the adjacent white fuse holder to seat the wire. This simple connection creates a brand new external circuit that guarantees power delivery to your fuel pump. Tuck the wire flat and snap the fuse box lid back on securely so it does not pinch the cable. Get in the driver's seat and turn the key. You will hear the pump prime, and the engine will fire right up. This simple upgrade bypasses the factory flaw entirely and saves you massive repair bills.